Good morning, sir. My name is Aniket Agarwal. I'm from section A. My class roll number is 9. My university roll number is 2014366. And my topic is Google Application Lifecycle, Cost Model and Observation. And I'm going to present my topic. So, first, what is Google Application Lifecycle? And what is ALM? ALM is a process of specification, design, development, and testing of a software application. It covers the entire life cycle from the idea of an application through to the development, testing, deployment, support, and ultimate user experience phase. The full form of ALM is Application Lifecycle Management. Depending on the software development's methodology, for example, waterfall, agile, or DevOps, ALM might be split into various phases. ALM process is mainly broken down into three elements: governance, deployment, and operations. Why ALM is important? The following are the main reasons why ALM is important. If you are using ALM, then you have to have good visibility into your project status. Teams are able to communicate effectively. It isn't easy to track or define requirements. The software was status adequately. The cost of maintaining an operating system should solution remains limited. Now, what is governance? It includes requirement management, resource management, data security, user access, review, audit, deployment control, and rollback. It also provides resource management, data security, and user experience. Benefits of governance. The benefits of governance are aligned business strategy, developing a business case, offer continuous monitoring, funding projects which delivers the highest value, clear accountability and control. Application development. It includes in identify current problem, planning, design, build, and testing the application. This area consists of the traditional developer and app make roles. This stage includes identifying current issues, planning, design, building, testing, deploying, etc. The third stage is application operation. The next important element of ALM is application operation. This area includes the deployment of the app and the maintenance of the technologically stack. In the waterfall software development method, operation is a separate stage from the development. DevOps teams bring operations and development together in a fully integrated continuous process. Now, the stages of ALM. There are different stages of ALM. The first is requirement management. Requirement management is the first ALM stage. It helps you in documenting, analyzing, tracking, prioritizing, and agreeing on requirements. The second stage is design. Design management is a process that helps to enhance the customer satisfaction and loyalty by improving usability. It also provides interaction among the customer and the product. The third one is build management. Build management is also known as the code management. It is the process of converting source code files into standalone software components. In this stage, an application idea transforms into an actual application. The first is SCM. SCM stands for Software Configuration Management. Is another ALM stage where the development team or systematically organize, manage, controls the changes in the document codes and other entities during the application development lifecycle process. Fifth stage is operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance, the next phase in the ALM process. The process of monitoring, management, and the development of the application will begins. In DevOps ALM phase, it covers release, config, and monitor. The sixth stage is test management. In the testing phase, the tester needs to verify that the application is compiling with the requirement defined in the initial steps of the process. The second step is user experience. Maintenance or user experience is traditionally the longest stage of ALM. Still, it is also the one of the where the participation of the testing and development teams is usually the lowest. Now, the advantages of ALM. Here are the pros and benefits of the profits and benefits of the using ALM. ALM helps you to control the system by organizing and tracking. You can share defects across projects, reducing risk by helping. ARM offers integration with other testing tools. It also provides a clear direction for an app before isn't it built. Without ALM, it is hard for a software development team to produce software at the high speed and agility needed to be stay competitive. ALM efficiently delivers softwares with minimum tax on the team. Now, what are cost models? A cost model is a set of rules, methods, and metrics that tells the application how to allocate expenses to the accounts in the hierarchy. Cost models are associated with allocation and rewards. If you own an ITBM analyst license, then you can create several cost models and choose that one of which one you want to run the allocation engine against. Cost models have the following attributes which give you more control over your expenses allocation. First one is user group. Associated a cost model to a user group of type ITFM. Anyone with the appropriate financial model role can access the cost model. Provide the user is also a part of the user group. With this association, you can restrict user which can access the cost model. Fiscal period. Associate a cost model to a fiscal earn. The fiscal period in the data definition stage of the financial modeling is set based on the fiscal unit that you have been selected in the cost model. Hence, you can perform financial models activities for different fiscal periods, month, quarter, or a period. Data source defines the stage lines source for the cost model. Optionally, you can opt not to define a data course, in which case you can create GOOM lines directly or enter amount directly into the buckets. If you own an ITBM analyst, you can use the prescribed cost models that the base system software that the cost model that you can create. See prescriptive cost models for shared service and business application, and prescriptive cost models for business service and business capabilities for the following cost. Level 1 costing shared services, level 2 costing business applications, level 3 costing business services, and level 3 costing business capabilities. If you are using an application portfolio management APM or service portfolio management SPM, you can use one of the following cost models that depends on the application that you can use, which are business application costing or service offering costing. And following are the case scenarios in my topic. Developer starts his work, checks the task list which is assigned to him. He checks tasks with priority and picks one. He then changes the status to the task to in the progress. Check out code for the source code repository. He implements a unit test with the testing framework. Executes test with the starting build script. Code inspection displays illegal naming convention or potential bugs. He fixes the code and retests the scripts. After confirming the code, the coverage rate meets the targeted. He commits the code with the task ID. So here's my topic on Google application management, which I have performed in front of you. Thank you.